Hey there, Instagrammers! Ever wonder how hackers manage to get their hands on your Instagram passwords? Yeah, it's a scary thought, but today I'm going to break it down for you and show you how to protect yourself. First up, let's talk about phishing. This is when hackers create fake websites or emails that look super legit, tricking you into entering your login details. You click a link, think it's Instagram, but bam! Your info is stolen. Always double-check URLs and never click on suspicious links. Then there's brute force attacks. This is a method where hackers use software to try every possible password combination until they crack yours. If your password is something like password 123, it's game over. Use a strong, unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, let's talk about keyloggers. These sneaky tools record every keystroke you make on your device. If a hacker gets a keylogger on your computer or phone, they can see everything you type, including your passwords. Keep your devices secure with up-to-date antivirus software. Another method is credential stuffing. Hackers take usernames and passwords from one data breach and try them on other sites. If you reuse passwords across different sites, you're at risk. Never reuse passwords. Instead, use a password manager to keep track of unique passwords for each account. Alright, now that we know how hackers do it, let's talk about how you can stay safe. First, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. Even if a hacker gets your password, they won't be able to access your account without this code. Second, watch out for suspicious activity. Regularly check your login activity on Instagram. If you see any logins from places you don't recognize, change your password immediately. Third, keep your app and devices updated. Security updates often fix vulnerabilities that hackers exploit, so make sure your Instagram app and your device's operating system are always up to date. And finally, be cautious of third-party apps. Some apps promise to boost your followers or likes, but could actually be stealing your information. Only use apps that you trust and that have good reviews. All right, folks, that's it for today. Remember, staying safe online is all about being informed and vigilant. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on cybersecurity. Stay safe out there. Catch you next time.